thought I would take you along as we made dinner. All we're doing today, I'm trying to use up my pantry and freezer food. So the whole month of January, I'm going to try to do pantry meals as much as possible. I've already been sharing some of those on my shorts, so make sure you check those out if you haven't. This bacon is going to go in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. I like my bacon that way. You can drain the grease off and it's really crispy, and that's the way I like my bacon. I'm also going to fix some ultimate over-the-top French toast on my griddle, and that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what our bacon turned out like after 20 minutes. Our pan is clean. I removed the bacon, then removed the parchment paper and poured the bacon drippings in my glass jar. And we have that to use for seasoning on something else. To make our French toast, I'm going to be using some brioche bread, heavy whipping cream, some vanilla bean paste, or vanilla's fine, some cinnamon, of course some butter, and a couple eggs. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a couple eggs, put here in my bowl. Just got this little, I guess you could say, dipping bowl station thing. It works perfect for the French toast. Now, this is a decadent French toast because of having the vanilla bean paste and the heavy whipping cream. You can also put in almond extract if you'd rather have that. You can put some sugar or brown sugar in it. It really is just up to you how you want to make it, how you want to do it. I like to add cinnamon to mine also as I get it on the griddle. And I like to do mine on the griddle because it don't take as long and you can do a lot more pieces. I'm just going to get this mixed up good. And this comes together so very quick. We love to have breakfast for dinner a lot of times. So this fits right in our alley. And like I said, this January, I like to do my pantry meals as much as I can, use up what I have. I don't like food to go to waste. And with food prices being what they are, you don't either, trust me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take, after that, get my butter, put it on my pan. That, I think, just gives it a good flavor. I am going to fix this whole loaf of brioche bread because I keep my grandbaby during the school day, and she loves French toast. So what we don't eat, obviously we can't eat a whole loaf. I'll use it for Grammy's school this week, and it'll be great. I think I can get 8 slices on this at a time, and it'll be delicious. You just dip it in on both sides. You can also do this as a bread pudding or overnight French toast casserole. You just break it up into slices, or you can just cut it in slices and put it in a deep dish baker and pour your egg mix right over top of it. A little bit more heavy whipping cream to this egg mixture to make it go further as well. Up a little bit more. I put my burner on about 350. I like to add some cinnamon once I put it on my griddle as well. can also use our pan that we used for our bacon to keep it on, to keep it warm because it's still hot. I love to make this on Christmas morning or for Valentine's Day breakfast. It's just a really over-the-top, sweet, decadent French toast. I've not had it in a long time, but we're going to have it for dinner today. I just take my butter and go in between and rub my French toast back and forth. That way it gets butter on it. Just makes it ooey and gooey and tastes delicious. There we go. Probably have another piece right up here in the corner while we're waiting. Like I said, it doesn't take long at all to make, and it's just so good. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and put the rest of these on here. them to cooking. And we'll be finished here in just a minute. One heel piece to work. French toast, how good that looks. That'll be good. Look at that French toast. Yum, 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 yum. All right, dinner's done. We got 14 pieces of French toast, a pound of bacon, and me and Chad will have this for dinner tonight, and I'll put the rest up for my grandbabies to have at Grammy School this week. Let me show you my plate. Okay, this is our dinner tonight. French toast and bacon, oven fried. We're doing January pantry meals, and this is another one.